Hello friends, I am Dr. Ramesh Nikam. Today I want to discuss about the emotional intelligence through this video. The friends, emotional intelligence is a very important concept in your life. Before knowing the emotional intelligence, we must aware about the intelligence. But emotional intelligence is absolutely distinct from the intelligence or the IQ. They don't occur together in any meaningful ways. Dear friends, this term was introduced by the Peter Salovey and John Mayer in 1990. But this concept is popularized by Daniel Goleman in 1995. He published his book Emotional Intelligence: Why It Can Matter More Than IQ, and this concept is most popularized through the work of the Daniel Goleman. First, we will look the definition of the emotional intelligence. There are the various definitions are given by the different psychologists. One of them, Peter Salovey and John Mayer, define that the ability to monitor one's own and other people's emotions, to discriminate between different emotions and label them and appropriately, and to use emotional information to guide thinking and behavior. Second one, the definition is given by the Goleman, which is most popular. Goleman defines that the emotional intelligence is the ability to identify, assess, controls one's own emotions, the emotions of others, and that of groups. Overall, the emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in positive ways, to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflicts. Dear friends, when you look this all definitions, we conclude that emotional intelligence is the capacity to understand or pursue emotions, to express emotions, to control emotions, and manage emotions is the very important part of your day-to-day lives. There are the various approaches describe the emotional intelligence concept. The first approach is the ability model. This model was developed by the Peter Salovey and John Mayer. Second one is a trait model. This model was developed by the Petrides. And third one is the mixed model, was developed by the Daniel Goleman. Today I am discussing about the Daniel Goleman's model. Daniel Goleman give 5 basic components or elements of the emotional intelligence. One is self-awareness, next one the self-regulation, motivation, then empathy, and then the social skills. All 5 components are the very important in emotional intelligence. Just look these components on somewhat broad manner. Self-awareness means recognize one's emotions and their effects. Accurate assessment means knowing one's strengths and limitations and having the self-confidence. Next component is the self-regulation. Self-regulation is also important component in emotional intelligence. It includes self-control, means managing disruptive emotions and impulses. Trustworthiness is the ability to maintaining standard of honesty and integrity. Self-regulation also involves the adaptability, means the flexibility in handling changes. Last one is the innovativeness, means to being a comfortable with and open to novel ideas and new informations. Self awareness and the self regulations are very important aspect of emotional intelligence. Third one is the motivation. Motivation is the inner psychological force which drives the person to achieve a target or goals. This is a very important aspects of each and every human being. Some people having the very limited capacity, but they have the high level of motivation and they achieve more and more things. So the motivation is the very important for your success and achieving the different things. Motivation means the achievement drive, it is commitment, initiativeness means to readiness to act on opportunity, optimism means the persistence in pursuing goals despite the obstacles and setbacks. It is a very important concept. Some people are just setback due to the failure in trial, first try, but this is not the good one. You must have the consistency to achieve the different tasks. Next component is the empathy. Empathy means seeing the other's feelings and taking active interest in their concern. Looking carefully, if you want the good societal relations, the empathy is one of the very good component to bond with each others. Then last component is the social skills. Social skills means to building bonds, that is nurturing instrument relationships. Social skills also including the collaboration and cooperation, cooperation means the working with the others toward the shared goals. Social skills also include the team capabilities, is the ability to pursuing a collective goals. Social skills need the communications ability, means sending the clear and convincing message to the others. You always believe on the two-way communications. You must have the good listening ability. Social skills also involve, involve the leadership ability, means inspiring and guiding the groups and peoples. And last one, conflict management, means negotiating and resolving the disagreement. When you look on the Goldman's theory, it gives the very broad aspect in emotional intelligence. When you understand this theory given by the Goldman, your task is to understand the weakness in yourself in your area, which is given by the Goleman's theory. Some people have a very good in self-awareness, self-regulation, but the poor in the empathy and social skills. They need to work on that areas. Some people have the good social skills and empathy, but they are the poor in self-awareness. They must need to work on this section or the area. In this way, you must test yourself and improve your emotional intelligence